Okay, so we have big toaster strudels for Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil'Petey who are still sleeping. And now we're gonna go use the bathroom. I will eat Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil'Petey's toaster strudels. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yes, I ate them. Now to check back on them and hey, where'd the toaster strudels go? Someone could have taken them. More importantly, someone could have ate them. Oh no 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 no! How are we ever gonna tell them? What happened, you guys? I don't know what to say at this, but I think our toaster strudels went missing. Who took them? I don't know. Toad, do you have something to do with this? Yes, I ate them. Toad, how dare you eat the toaster strudels? You know they're not for you. That's it. You are grounded until Unikitty gets renewed for a third season. Go to your room right now and we will cook you broccoli and green beans. No! Broccoli and green beans.